Good morning. Welcome back to the Photoman Calgary channel. My first stop today on this beautiful Saturday is the Goldenrod Community Hall, which is about 10 minutes from my new place. And east of here, just down that way, is apparently a school marker for Goldenrod School. So I'm going to have to check that out as well. And then hopefully get up to an abandoned gas plant, which is north, up between Crossfield and Carstairs. So that is my day today, or at least my morning. So stay tuned. We'll check in a bit. Welcome back to my next stop. This is the Banner 2 school sign out in the middle of nowhere. Reason I'm recording right now inside my car is because it's so bright outside I cannot see my display on my phone when I'm outside. Hey everybody, welcome back, and this is the administration office of the abandoned gas plant that I am at right now. You can see this abandoned gas plant is definitely abandoned. That one sphere is really in bad shape. So I'm going to get the drone up over it. everyone. Thanks for watching that video. It was pretty cool to get in around the gas plant. Obviously, it's fenced off and locked and all that, so can't go into anything restricted. But it was pretty cool all the same. That's why I have a drone, to get video of a different perspective on these places. So, but thanks for watching that. If you like any of my videos, give them a thumbs up. Feel free to share and like them, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And we'll see you on the next one.